In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your font size on your iPhone. So this works for any version of iPhone to make your font bigger on your phone so it's easier to read for you. So go over to your settings and we're going to scroll down until you see your display and brightness. And what you want to do is you see where it says text size and bold text. You can just go to your text size. And what this is going to do, there's a little scroll option here at the bottom, and this is going to give you a quick display of what it's going to look like depending on what you want your text size to be. And you can just go ahead and change it to what you want. And then you can go back and it will automatically update in real time. You can also hit your bold text button on it. That might help you too. Very easy to do, very simple to do, and it's really easy to change as well. So you can just go smaller, you can go bigger if you want, and that's how you would go about changing your font size on your iPhone. So I hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.